How to contact WorldPay customer services. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can contact the WorldPay customer services. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to worldpay.com. Once you land on this page, you can sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, you want to scroll all the way down, and here you have the option of Get in Touch. Now you want to tap on the Learn More option. Now from here you can go ahead and make a selection. Here it says that you can simply fill out this form and the customer service will be in touch with you. Or if you want to speak to the sales, you can simply call on the number available over here. Now you can fill up this form. For this, you want to select the inquiry type, select Talk to Customer Services. Now you want to enter your first name, then enter your last name. Now enter your company name. After that, enter your email address. Then enter your phone number. Now you want to enter your job title. After that, you want to select your country. Then you want to enter any of your comments or query over here. Once that is done, you want to check this box. Now tap on the Submit option. Once this request has been submitted, the customer service will be in contact with you. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.